Hello and welcome back, fellow alchemists. It's been a while since I've taken a look at Elixir. As you guys know, I'm pretty busy with doing quite a lot of Flutter projects recently. There's not a lot going on over here with Elixir. It doesn't mean, like I said, I haven't lost my love for Elixir, but it just means that I really need some more projects in Elixir, but sadly these days there's not a lot going on over here. But I'm still trying to keep up with everything that's going on. And I did finally get around to take a look at Elixir 1.13. Now, the nice part is that there's quite a lot of improvements to the Elixir language itself, especially with how they compile things with dependencies. That looks pretty good. But I did want to kind of go over, there was quite a few different functions that were added in to different modules. And so I wanted to take a couple of videos out to show you some of those. And today I want to talk more about URI, the URI module. Before I do that, I just still want to plug my course. So if you're interested in working with Rust and Flutter, we have a course called rustwithflutter.com. Check it out and sign up if you're interested. It will be a lot of fun. We're still working on the course. But anyways, back to the main point of this topic is I want to talk about URI, right? So URI within Elixir 1.12 was pretty straightforward. They had this thing called URI.parse. The function would just only be able to parse a string and give you back a URI, whether it's valid or not. But now they've actually deprecated that method. And so they want you to use URI.new. So with URI.new, you can just pass in something like this. And you're going to get back a URI. Now, as you can see, it does a lot of stuff for you basically out of the box, and you get this OK tuple. They also have the bang version, so you can get the exception if it's not good. So they have this part working just great. Yeah, that's kind of the big change for URI. Now, the other cool thing about URI is I can, instead of only passing this in, I can also pass in the struct. And so if you pass in a struct, it won't give you an issue. But obviously, if you're using parse method before, if you pass in URI struct, it will just explode because it only can take in a string, I believe. And the other thing, too, is that parse actually would also explode, too, because it should only give you back a URI object. So if it couldn't parse it correctly, it would give you a problem. With this one, if we put some bad character in there, obviously this one, because it's the bang method, you'll get this explosion over here. But if we do this instead, you'll get an error and very kind of more clear kind of message. So this is the changes for URI module. They just basically added this new function called URI.new. And it will replace the URI.parse function, which they've already marked as deprecated since 1.13. So that's all for today. Thanks for the video. Thanks for coming by. Please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.